And this is the car parking for the Ulster Air Festival at Ragley Hall, and just over there got the planes kicking in already, so I better get down there.
Sold worldwide, and it was designed in response to people flying in two-seat tandem open cockpits. Modeling. Get up there and give him a big wave, and it's all terribly British. Actually flying their pole formation. What the rest of them are doing are lining themselves up with spots on their airframe. You don't want to see any small marks there on that one.
So I happen to know Dave Bro.
Now, we can see the poles going up. That's Richard.
Oh, well done.
All making it look so simple.
And lastly, the little yellow one. Come on, you can make it. Oh, no!
We'll have to go out and check later on. We're going to have another go. Oh, now what's happened here?
So Alan, bang! So that is the yellow with the red.
Let's look at that direction with the light.
Looks like fun.
Oh, missed again. Oh!
So white stripes, it'll stand out beautifully against this, the clouds today.
Very reminiscent.
And the aircraft departing back to its home base at East Midlands Airport, where the Rolls-Royce Heritage hangar is. Again, you need to wait till he's outside the aircraft because he won't be able to see you, but if you start waving...
A great Ragley Hall welcome for Red 10.
And friends.
Arrived early because the Reds should be here at 5:25 p.m.
All the flying has stopped.
Most definitely. Now, just waiting, ladies and gentlemen, we have just had an announcement that due to crosswinds, unfortunately the B-17 can be model powered by a 145 horsepower de Havilland Gypsy Major. That is
Inverse Festival, please put your hands together for the 2024 It's a Voice! The team arriving in our world famous Diamond 9 formation, trailing our world famous red, white and blue. The team leader brings
Red 6 and 7 inverted for no more than 30 seconds. However, that negative G is pushing all the blood to their head and they're working extremely
as it does it, and that's something that Steve has perfected. So this is the first of a few of these manoeuvres that we will see, and then slowing down.
Thank you so much, Pete. So, rolling for takeoff is the world's only formation wing walking display team. And the girls already showing off that unique swivelling rig as they experience the speed. Like I say, you know, if you're driving your car along at 70 miles an hour on a motorway and you stick your head out the window and then you add another 20. Over 5 displays that they're doing this weekend, so not only the physical strength but keeping the team camaraderie together. It's a really strong bond that they have.
Such a huge
Really big. He'll pop Emma's.
Let's go.
I really need my face got storm.
Each year they need to have if you look, as the day warms up and the sun shines on the ground, the sun is shining on the grass, it's shining on the trees, and it's shining on the tarmac. On a dull evening like tonight. Although it does say the sunset looks like it might be really rather nice tonight. When you get a bit of sunshine on the side of the balloon, really makes it stand out. Keep an eye on the dragon over there at Cameron's Green. I hope you're still going to be fast. Again, it's a second half stay good.
Dragon has actually now grounded himself and landed. You can see now the balloon is tipped over slightly. Starts to deflate as the air is coming out of the top.
It's so good.
Coming up, which is great because it means then the crew know exactly.
So keep an eye out for lots of green people. They do not have any propellers, they do not have any props that will disturb the air. And the pilot's come down, he did a little dip into the trees and now he's climbing. Two special shapes in the air. So again, as he rotates, you can see it coming around. You don't have to wait for the pilot, but you have to wait for the alien. Where else do you get to see this on a Friday evening?
Project Blue Beam over there.
It's got to be better than Coronation Street.
Come on, baby.